right, guys. It's a little messy in the background, but we are getting ready to leave tomorrow morning for a road trip upstate. Yeah. Don't mind the banging. That's Amy. And she's definitely doing it on purpose. We are mostly packed, I think. We're just waiting for a couple of people to come with us. And yeah, I'm gonna go sleep because I have to be up by 3 because we're leaving at 4 in the morning. Just for everyone who was not aware and who has not been paying attention in the group chat for the last 2 weeks.
You have happened in the group chat.
So, yeah, I'll see you guys at 3 a.m. or maybe 4 a.m. because honestly, I'm just gonna be rushing to get ready.
Maybe 5 a.m. because you'll
No.
get to vlog.
No. Okay.
I hope the next clip is us in the car and me recording at 5 a.m. because you forgot to vlog.
Nope. I won't forget.
Yeah, right.
Yep. All right. Good night, guys. I will see you guys in the morning. Hey, guys. Welcome to another video. I am talking to myself and the camera. It is go day. We are leaving now, sort of ish, in like 10-15 minutes. Josh and Angela are here. Those are the two people I was talking about that will be joining us on this trip. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're gonna drop the girl off.
No.
No, she's gonna come with us. We're gonna go upstate, and we have a lot of driving to do today. We're gonna be driving, I think 9-ish hours. We're gonna be passing through Scranton and then making our way up to Rochester area. And then we're gonna try to get to Niagara first and then make our way back. So we're still waking up because it's like 3:40 in the morning. So
It's 3:50.
3:50 in the morning. Thank you.
It's 4.
48.
It's actually 5.
2 extra minutes.
All right, we're gonna go. All right, we're ready to go. We have Ellie. Ellie wants to be first. All right.
Ellie has to be. Because she's number 1.
Yeah, I can't film you guys and also go, so.
So now you. I guess you're.
Hello. Good morning.
I just want everyone to know this is the second time they're playing this because someone couldn't get the camera ready.
No, you're using it.
They interrupted my cake.
I am very unamused.
And you are contributing to.
Goodbye. This is why I asked if everyone liked Minions.
No.
No.
We're in Pennsylvania now. Woo!
I was gonna say I can make it brighter right now.
Oh my god.
Hey! No! I am driving.
Not you.
Ask that question. Yes, you did.
Still too dark. Cannot see anyone.
It's still too dark, but it's much brighter out than it was when we started. President Biden.
Green. Yield on green.
The office.
Ends in the big. We're going to the office. We're gonna work.
That looks cute.
Ooh, I have service now.
Ellie, are you okay?
Ellie's like, I want to be part of the video.
Oh, hello.
This is a long.
Oh my This is specifically for Justine. Oh my god, there it is. No.
Is there a sign? Paper supply.
I took a photo. It's the office building. Woo! We made it. We're taking a quick break before we continue.
What do you mean? We're going to work.
I guess I can clock that.
Yeah, we made it. All right. This is all I wanted to see in Scranton. Even Ellie is looking at the office. That's so funny.
And the awards.
So I mostly came here so that I can take a picture of the stuff for Justine, because I know you're a big Office fan. But we're here, we made it. We're gonna go on to the next one. It's about an hour.
This in the office?
Was that out of the frame?
But
Comment below if you want more content like that.
like what?
Johan's crying. What?
Look at the sun.
Clocked out of work! Woo!
Yep, that's what we're doing.
Wow, that was a short day.
What do you mean? It's nighttime. It's like 7 p.m.
Oh, that's why the sun
setting.
isn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
We worked overtime today.
I worked so much, I thought it was a short day.
Okay, well that's weird. All right, first supercharger stop of the day. We had to make a quick stop in Kirkland, mostly because we were just not gonna have enough juice to get to Cortland. So I'm gonna juice it up till we are for about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll head over to the Cortland because there's they have a Starbucks, they have a Dunkin', they have everything in that one, and there's like nothing in this one. So unfortunately, we do have to end up charging just a little bit, but that's fine. It also gives Ellie a little bit of time to run around and whatnot, and yeah. So I want to show you guys a little bit of this supercharger. It's just like a basic area. There's a supermarket, I think, or not a supermarket, but a market, all those other stuffs, but there's nothing else. There you go.
Oh my god, she has so much whipped cream on her face.
Yeah, we have to wipe you before.
Put it lower.
When I was younger.
What'd you say?
We're at Niagara.
Yeah.
It's the Miss. Yay! It's the Miss party. Did anyone add that to the playlist?
No.
Kimmy's recording, so I just paused it.
Oh my god.
That seemed like it. I mean, I don't know what's going on. That's pretty bad.
Break.
I have no hands on the wheel.
That's because I'm driving.
Wow, long arms.
I don't think they can see that. Yeah, the video's flipped. That's what's happening.
How are we all doing? We tired?
Tired.
Very tired.
All right, we have 40 minutes before we get to Niagara, and then that's pretty much it. That's it. That's the end of the trip. Woo! We'll teleport back home.
It's gonna turn right back around.
Down. Sorry, James.
Too tired for this. Alright, goodbye. That's not going in the video.
Well, it's in recording.
It's recorded, but it will never see the light of day.
Not if I edit this trip.
Like you would ever edit a video.
I spent so long editing that one video for you. Literal days.
Why are they still there? Do you not? It looks abandoned.
So this is where Angela wants to go.
Watch it just be closed. It's probably open only
You're
in
gonna
the
join
summer.
us, Spirit
Wait, it is the
Airlines.
summer.
Oh, it's a KOA.
What's a
It's
KOA?
glamping.
Oh.
It's a glamping campsite.
We have a tent.
No,
Hey, we
that's,
did pack a tent.
I paid for a hotel.
We packed the tent, but not the golf club.
there's a hotel.
Y'all can clamp. Me and my boy Yon are gonna be.
Yeah. I hope not. I didn't see a sign.
Amy's really tall.
As long as you don't step on my leg again.
Amy is
You gotta go down
still
again.
down.
Not because I want you to go down, but like I can't feel my leg.
Oh, that's right. We were supposed to stay in Albany. That one.
Is that the CN Tower?
Can I put my backpack in the trunk?
We made it.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
You should put the Dora the Explorer song. We did it. We did it.
Alright, we made it. Everyone's out. We have a, what's it called? Unlimited parking time. Parking expires at 11:59 p.m.
So you're sure that they allowed dogs?
That's what it said.
Like the outside stuff.
Obviously, we can't go into any buildings, but. Leaving America.
So I'm gonna walk to Canada because I'm obsessed with ships and things, which I'm gonna get them up. So you'll see it later on the vlog.
Yo. This is only good for
360 shot.
Oh, fancy.
Sorry, I should go this way.
Niagara. My God. My God.
Guys,
We made it.
we did it. We did it. Hey.
We did it.
Woohoo.
Even though we're disabled.
You're both disabled?
Oh my god, there's so many seagulls. Do you think I can catch
Seagulls are question. Ellie could definitely catch a seagull.
mine?
Mine. 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 I guess it's more like mine. Mine.
Hold on. Wait, this is so much better. Alright, so we made it. As you guys can see, there's the falls. Oh my god. It was raining. Isn't that nice? Allie's here. We took a ton of photos. Oh,
need to shower?
room tour.
Are you gonna knock that down?
No.
All right, so we got this nice bedroom over here. There's my name. And then the reason why we got this is because there's a suite style. So we move here, 2 rooms. Yeah, pretty much it. All right, so
What a game out here.
they gave some stuff for gold status. They gave a bag of chips, a couple of waters, and yeah, it's fun. So we've got a couple of the soaps over there, which is nice. We have a nice shower head. It's a little weird yellow dark, but it's fine. Towels right there. They got 4, I think, so we should be fine. Toilet situation is okay. If you're wondering where the sink is, it's right out here, outside.
Let me show you.
And then this is where we're storing. We haven't like really done much. Little closet area. Closet, well, not closet, but like thing. Room. Well, shouldn't we go now? We don't have that much time. It's 4. And then here's the room.
I know.
All right. So after eating, we went back to the hotel. We rested a little bit. We got changed. But as you can see, we have flowers. Amy's writing a card. That's because we're actually here to support a friend who's opening a ballroom studio. So
Congratulations, we love you.
you guys swiftly transitioned into almost. Look at this guy opening his own studio again. I was
Did it disappear? Wait, you weren't supposed to pan. I was supposed to go out of the frame.
You have to go again. You have to go again. Sorry, I didn't know you were supposed to. Go.